the great scientist and all that, he was once asked, what is the formula for success? Because Einstein was, he had a way of reducing everything to formulas, you know. And he was asked, what's the formula for success? And he said, well, if X is success, then X is equal to A plus B plus C, where A is your capacity to work hard, B is your ability to get along with others, and C is your capacity to keep your mouth shut. That's Einstein. But I don't think you really need to keep your mouth shut in this day and age. Stand up for what you think you believe in. Say what you think you believe in. Say what you think is right. Talk about the things that you really want to talk about. Einstein did talk about hard work. I really don't think there is any shortcut to this, my